another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go to moniker aka Mix Master Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender with bartending. This week we got another special edition. While everybody's going to the beach, cookouts going on in the backyard, you need a summer drink, I got just the thing. We're about to teach you how to make a Malibu Pina Colada. And now we got our drink out of the way. Let's go with the ingredients that it takes to make a Malibu Pina Colada. We have Malibu rum, Pina Colada mix, and pineapple juice. We got our drink out the way. Let's make this bad boy. Now you can make this recipe any way you like. We're gonna actually make this recipe today in a blender. So let me walk you through it. It takes 2 ounces of Malibu rum, Pina Colada mix, and a splash of pineapple juice. Now it's blending time. Let's blend this thing. We got our cocktail blended. We just got to transfer it to our glass. With a pineapple slice. And that's how you make the perfect Malibu Pina Colada. And thank you again for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. This is where we try to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to look us up on our social media platforms. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friends.